Since it was first launched, the Ring doorbell camera has changed the way we approach the outside world. The ability to see who is standing outside your door from the comfort of your couch or wherever you might be. It's not always butterflies and roses. This innovation has also produced some of the most terrifying footage we've ever seen from real people, confronted by dangerous criminals, haunting faces, and even what some would classify as paranormal activity. Below, you'll find a list of some of the strangest and most terrifying footage caught on a Ring doorbell cam. Tell us which ones unsettle you the most and share your favorites that didn't make the list in the comments below. This footage was released only a week or two ago. It shows a man approach a house and repeatedly knock on the door while repeating, "I just have a couple of questions for you. Are you sure?" This goes on for a couple of minutes before a man responds over the Ring doorbell. At this point, the footage turns all the more unsettling as the man at the door says he was to assault and kill the woman inside the house. The footage was shared by Amanda Nowak of Las Vegas. According to Amanda, she was inside the house hiding during the entire encounter. The man never saw her and was never actually speaking directly to her during tense 3 minutes. Thankfully, the man has been arrested, but that doesn't make the footage any less unnerving.
I just rang your doorbell because I have a couple questions for you. Are you sure? Are you positive? Are you sure? I just have a couple questions for you. Are you sure? Are you positive? I just have a couple questions for you. Are you sure? Are you positive? Are you sure? Are you absolutely certain? Sure.
So, how are you?
What? Yeah? Are you sure?
Who are you?
Hey, I just had a couple questions. I just wanted to ask you about the TV show. Yeah, can you hear me? What I'm looking for is for the girl that's in the house to come out here because I'm going to rape her and kill her. Can you have her open the door? I'm going to rape and kill the girl that's on the other side of this door when she lets me in. I want to rape her and kill her because I have a knife and a gun. Yeah, and I'm going to knock on her door again. All right. Are you sure? No idea. What? Are you absolutely sure you want that back? Go. They're on the way.
This footage from Bristol shows a man approach and knock on someone's door. That, in and of itself, isn't so disturbing. However, the man's strange mask is enough to give us pause, and the fact that he covers his hand before checking the door handle makes us wonder exactly what he was up to so late at night. In the following video, you'll see a man arrive home. He lets himself into his house and locks up, turning on the outside light, etc. A little while later, a young man walks up onto the front porch, looks around, and sets a package down next to a bench before leaving. A few minutes later, a young woman who is clearly looking for something walks up onto the porch and picks up the package. Finally, the man's daughter arrives home from babysitting and lets herself into the house. All of this happened in under a half hour, as several in the comments pointed out. This looks like a food delivery dropped at the wrong house. But can you imagine watching it all go down on your camera alerts the next day? So here it is. These all clip or seem very creepy. If you want to see more parts of Doorbell series, comment down below.